2017 GMC Savana. The Savana passenger van is a blend of comfort, convenience, and style. Available in 8, 12, and 15 passenger models, the Savana has been designed and refined with safety as the constant goal. Electronic stability control system, StabiliTrak, and traction control are standard on all models. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, power steering, cruise control, 4-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, power door locks, passenger airbag, power windows, passenger airbag on/off switch, MP3 player, bucket seats, trip computer, daytime running lights, rear head airbag, intermittent wipers, auxiliary audio input, power outlet. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.